All right, here we go. Third time's the charm on this video. Recorded this thing like 3 times. Hopefully it doesn't mess up on me this time. So let's get into it. Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video here on Blessed to Invest. And today I'm here to talk about my experience with Cmag, why I'm leaving, why I'm done. That's it. A subscriber hit me up. He was like, yeah, I want you to do a review of your experience on Cmag. How's it been over the past year? Because I've been on there almost a year now and I'm done. And I want to say this, it's a great broker, amazing broker, but I'm going to explain why, the pros and cons of it, why you should get it, why you should not get it, etc. So without further ado, make sure you spam the like button on this video. Spam the like button. That's the first thing you need to do on this video. Spam the like button and let's get into it. All right. So the pros with Cmag is it is a great broker if you're under the PDT rule. The PDT rule means you can't trade multiple times over five times. You can't day trade over 3 times in a 5-day period. There we go. So people that want to day trade and don't have $25,000, it gets really difficult. So number one place to go, I really like. Cmag is probably the best option out there if you're looking to day trade and looking to grow a smaller account over, until you take it to $25,000. Highly recommend it for that. The platform is super smooth. What I've seen throughout the year, it's really nice. Occasionally it has like a little glitching here and there where when you get into a stock or what's the word I'm looking for? When you get into a stock or you're just looking at the desktop, how it trades, sometimes it gets a little laggy. I don't know if that's me with my Wi-Fi or what, but occasionally it has those moments. It might happen maybe like once a week, once every 2 weeks, something like that. It skips a little bit. So beware of that. But other than that, the platform is really good, really solid platform. Execution is probably one of the best I've seen. Better than Thinkorswim for sure. It's better than Thinkorswim. Better than Fidelity. I think it's probably one of the best ones I've seen if you're in this realm of getting over the PDT rule. If you're already over the PDT rule, there's a couple of brokers out there that I would recommend above this one, and that's the reason why I'm leaving, because there's brokers out there that are so much better than this one. But don't get it wrong, this is a great broker. You're going to get fast execution. The customer service is going to be cool. I didn't run into too many issues with my platform, so I didn't contact them that much over the past year, because I know what I'm doing. Like I've been on Dosh Trader. It uses DOS and Sterling Trader, and I use Dosh Trader on my previous broker, Sure Trader, before they shut down. I was using them for a while, so I was pretty comfortable with how everything works on there. So no issues there. Hotkeys again are going to be great. Love the hotkeys. Love how you can customize your desktop and see, okay, I want a chart right here, or I want my montage right here, or I want my whatever you want. Like you can move stuff around and really customize it how you want to, so you can just boom, as soon as you wake up in the morning, you can just immediately put it on. So I really like that about Dosh Trader, about Cmag using Dosh Trader. The couple reasons why I'm leaving though: one, commissions are a little high. You got to be aware of commissions. I don't recommend people going into this broker with only like $2,000. Don't go in there with $2,000 unless you want to use all the leverage that they have on there. They do have great leverage. That's probably one thing I can say that you're going to get out of a overseas broker over a someone that's in the United States type broker. You're going to get a lot of leverage. So I don't recommend going in. Go in with maybe like $5,000, $10,000 to get really comfortable, because once you start to position size into your trades, let's say you're starting with a $2,000 account and you need to put a stop loss like 10% away or something like that, and your risk is 2%, let's say it's 1 or 2%. Now you can only put like 1/10 of your account into the trade. So what is that, like $200? And it gets difficult trading with $200 because you got to pay the $6 commission. Then you got to pay, for me, I short a lot, so you have to pay the short locate fee, which is $25 on top of the per share rate. So by the time you're done, you're already down 40 bucks before you even get into the trade. So beware of that, especially if you're shorting a lot. I short all the time, so you need some money, you need some capital in there. Recommend like 5 to 10 grand for sure. But to get to the shorting about this platform, the shorting is really nice. I like it. And this is coming from a person that shorts smaller cap stocks. I usually stick with like the low float names and like the under 20 bucks, above like $2. I don't like to go below $2. It gets a little sketchy over there, but between like $20, $2 and $20 is where I stick. And the short locates are pretty good on there. I say about 80% of the stocks that you want to get, you're going to be able to find. And people that trade those larger cap stocks like the Apples, the Teslas, and the big cap stocks, you're going to be able to get your stocks, no problem. Don't worry about that. You're going to be fine getting your stocks. If I was able to get my short list together on small caps, y'all got this. Y'all got the high cap names are going to be on there, no problem. But that's a couple of reasons why I'm leaving. One is just the price of the platform. Once you get over $25,000, it really doesn't pay to be on a broker that's going to be charging you so much. At first they have a monthly fee, then the short locates are really expensive, and then it's commissions. Now in the United States, there are no commissions really on the majority of the main brokers. There's no monthly fee really on a lot of these brokers. So it really doesn't make sense to pay so much money every month, every day to a broker like this, when you can get something that's going to be a lot cheaper and it's just going to be just as good. Really, that's what's going to come down for me why I'm leaving, is because it's too expensive where I can get something a lot cheaper for what I'm doing. I do say this, I do really like the platform. If they were to switch off commissions, I definitely would stay, because it's really a solid platform. Like, once you get out of the platform, the professional hotkeys, you get professional execution, great execution. Customer service is not as well as you would like it to be, but if I could change a couple things, it would be the customer service, the fees, and then the structure. How you're all the way out in Trinidad and Tobago. Don't like those three. If you could change those three, I would stay on the platform, but I just feel a little bit more secure on a platform where I have my money on this side of the ocean, so I don't have to worry about somebody going to war or some laws get changed and all of a sudden my money just disappeared. I don't want to worry about that. That's one, and then the commissions and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I'm leaving. But for people that want to get on this platform and you're kind of like, should I get on, should I not? I say if you're under 25K and you want to have a platform where you can get over the PDT rule, you have a strategy that works, you know it works, it's consistent, it's effective, and you just need something where you can get on every day and trade, this is probably the number one place to go. Above any other platform, I know they have like this small UK style broker over there where it charges you like $1. Don't mess with that. Go to this one. This is great. It gets a little sketchy when you're transferring money over there, but just stay in contact with the customer service and they're going to walk you through that, and you're going to be all good. Get your count up to like 25K and then get out of there. Don't worry about it anymore. Don't trade on this platform. And on top of that, keep your account. Make sure you're bringing in like 5-10 grand. Don't go on this platform without 5-10 grand. Go stick to swing trading or something like that. I don't recommend it for that. But this is a solid platform. I really love the platform. I can't sing my praises enough for it, even though I know I was a little critical on the platform. This is a transitional platform for sure. When you're like a beginner trader and you're trading on Robinhood and you're just trying to figure things out, you go Robinhood. Then you get to maybe like Thinkorswim, and then you get to Cmag. Cmag is that next level. And then that final broker, you want to go somewhere like Centerpoint Securities, Interactive Brokers, Lightspeed, stuff like that. You want to go places like that. So think of this as like a transitional broker. Somewhere, a broker that gets you from point A to point B, where you can get onto your destination. Really love it for that. Great platform, and I really recommend that y'all try it out if you're thinking about it, if you're hesitant about hopping on the platform. But let me know down in the comment section what you think. Are you iffy about CMEG? What are you worried about? What's holding you back about getting on the platform? Let me know down in the comment section down below. And that's gonna wrap it up. It's me, your boy. Blessed applesauce. Stay blessed. And we'll see y'all next time. Blessed on this.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga blessed.